In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to show screen taps or screen touches on your Android phone while you are doing screen recording or while you're simply using your phone. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have an older version of Android, give it a try, it should work for you. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone and get to settings directly. Once you are here, scroll right down and get to About Phone and look for build number. So in my phone, it's out here. On the build number, just tap 7 or 8 times. This enables the developer options on your phone. So you need to put in your PIN or unlock to get to developer options. And now you get back to the settings page out here and do a search for taps. So once you do a search for taps, you are going to get two options. The first one is show taps and the second one is show visual feedback for taps. So the first option is actually not going to help you right now, but you need to click on the second option, which is going to help you. All right. So select the second option. You're going to be directed to this page out here. Just turn this on. Now, once you turn this on, you could see that on screen, whenever I'm tapping on something, okay, I can see a dot, or it's actually tracking my tap or the touch that I'm doing on the screen. How to turn this off? It's pretty simple. Get back to the same screen, taps, select the second option, get here, and just turn this off. That's it. So I hope this helps and you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.